Hey everyone, are you struggling to get your Google business profile verified? Today, I'm going to show you how to get your GMB verified instantly through a live video call. No more waiting, no more frustration. Google verification can be a headache. Sometimes, Google takes days or weeks to verify your business, and sometimes your profile gets suspended or rejected. But did you know there's a faster way? The live video call verification allows you to verify your business in real time with a Google representative. So what exactly is live video call verification? It's a process where Google connects you with an agent through a video call, and you show proof of your business, your business location, signage, and documents all on camera. Once verified, your business will appear on Google Maps and local search results right away. Check this out. Here's a real example of a live video call verification I did recently. You can see how simple it is when you know what to show and say. Before the call, make sure you have 1. Your business signage clearly visible. 2. A smartphone or webcam ready for the call. 3. Your business registration documents close by. 4. A quiet, well-lit space for the call. This preparation makes the process smooth and quick. During the call, stay calm and polite. Show your business location clearly. Answer the agent's questions honestly. Avoid rushing. Clarity is key. And remember, having your documents ready will save you time. Instant verification helps you get discovered by customers right away. It boosts your local SEO and can increase your sales because your business will appear on Google Maps faster than traditional methods. If you want help with your Google business profile verification or need a step-by-step guide, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss my updates. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and share it with other business owners struggling with GMB verification. See you in the next video.